안녕하세요, 여러분. 반갑습니다. 유마입니다. 내 채널에 오신 것을 환영합니다. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Habibah. Today I want to show some basic sentences expression I can actually say by heart when I find myself in the situation. For example, I'm going out. I saw a friend of mine and an old-time friend like that. So how do I greet the old-time friend? And how do we depart? How do I tell that too? I'm going. Passing by them, then I'll tell them, "Oh, 안녕하세요. 오랜만에 잘 지냈어요?" If he is well, will tell me, "네, 잘 지내요." Then if I'm about to go, then I'll tell them, 지금 많이 갈 거예요. Then if they care where I'm going to, they care to know where I'm going, they'll say, 어디 갈 거예요? Then I'll tell them, and I say, I'm going to the department store. Then I'll say, 백화점에 갈 거예요. So we depart by saying, 또 봐요, 조심해요. So on getting to the department store, I met an ajuma. How do I express myself if I want to buy something in the department store? So I greet the ajuma, 안녕하세요, ajuma. I want to buy a necklace. So I saw a necklace. It's like, 목걸이 예쁘다. 얼마나 사고 싶어요. Then she told me the price. 5,200원이에요. Then I said, I paid. She gave me. After the department store, on my way to the bus station, I want to use the restroom. I really want to use the restroom. And I don't know where the restroom is. Then I saw an ajushi. Then I say, 저기요, 아저씨, 제발 화장실이 어디예요? Then the ajushi answered me by saying, 화장실이 저기 있어요. Then I tell him, 감사합니다. So after I finished using the restroom, I went to the bus station, waiting for a bus to come and pick me up. Then a guy sat next to me, and he looked at me and he said, 안녕? And then he said, 안녕? 전화번호가 주세요. If he is not the one I like at first sight, then I tell him, 전화번호가 주세요. I'll not give him. So but if in this case I like the guy, then I'll tell him my number. How do I express my number? And I'll tell him, 영구연 힐히히구 고구히구. Another example is on getting home, I saw my mother. Then I said, 안녕하세요, 엄마. Then she looked at me and said, 몇 시예요? Seeing that expression on her face, I know she is angry. I'm late. And I'll just tell her, 미안해, 엄마. And I go to my room. Maybe after some time, I'm really hungry and I want to tell my mother I'm hungry, where's my food? Then I go to my mother and tell her, 엄마 배고파. 밥을 어디에 먹고 싶어요? I'm really hungry. So after finishing the food, I went to my room. So I had my phone ringing, and I picked. It was the guy that collected my number at the station. And 여보세요? 잘 지냈어요? 네, 잘 지내요. If I'm fine, I say 네, 잘 지내요. Then he asked me, 이번 주말에 어디에 갈 거예요? Then I tell him, if I have somewhere to go, let's say I have somewhere today, then I tell him, 이번 주말에 허미와 저는 영화관에 갈 거예요. Then he said, 그럼 호희와 좋은 시간 주세요. 호리님 다음에 만납시다. Then I said, okay. Then we had to go. Bye bye. That is the little basic sentences I can express for today. My pronunciation is not that good, I know, but if there is any mistake I did, the sentences, please let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to check my mistake. 감사합니다 for watching my video. Oh, shida.